Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Faiz Ali. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Welcome to my next presentation on Google Meet, in which we will learn how we can record lectures in Google Meet. Now I will tell you how you can record your lectures and meetings in the Google Meet. Please go to the More options, click on it. The menu will be appeared where on the top of the screen you can see record meeting. Please click on it. Now you can see that our consent message is appeared on the screen. Please accept the message. Then you can see that recording will start soon. And one more thing that you can also note is that the gray button is turned into red, which shows that your lecture is going to be recorded. So this is a very simple procedure to record your lectures and meetings in the Google Meet. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you like my video, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel.